Hello, I want to show you the rules of Townspire, my newest game. Here we have the set for one player. Yes, we need only to print sheet of the map for the player. Each player have to have own the writing utensil, and we can also traditionally print action cards or scan the QR code to get the access to all elements needed, the action cards. So this is very low print this time. And how the games works. Our task is to make medieval town in 10 rounds, and in this time we have to achieve the objectives, 2 random objectives, and get at least the lowest points for this map. In each round we will get the new action card, and this action card we have access by the phone. But firstly we'll draw always the objectives, random objectives. In this situation we have to get number 2 and number 4, and we have 10 rounds to complete this. And when we start the round we draw a new action card and we choose the side of the card, the upper or lower side of the card, and we are using all elements in this card. Firstly we have to draw the building, next we get the resources, and at the last element is treatments we have also draw on the map. And in the game we'll draw the buildings. We have 6 types of buildings in the game. Here we have the house, the mill, the tavern, the furrier, the hen house, and the watchtower. And each have some action available for it. For the house we'll make new citizens, and citizens are needed to work in any other buildings to activate it. In the mill we'll produce the bread from wheat here. By the tavern we'll make the tomato soup from the tomatoes. We'll get the jackets here from the ships, and the eggs from the chickens. Also with the watchtower we can produce the wool, and we can get by the citizens we can get the guards. And always for all this action we use the work points signed here. And each element we draw always will be drawn by special rule. For the buildings it will be always the random rule from the action card. We start the round our turn from drawing the building, and is always own rule. If we in this situation choose the upper side of the card, we will have to draw the building in adjacent field to other building. At the start of the game we have few buildings already. The Townspire is always here, and sometimes there are also the watchtowers already on the map. And if I want to build any building, I choose any building, it always get 1 hex. So I could in this situation I could get the upper side of the card, and I have to build in the near to other buildings. So I want to build like here, and I have building, I have other building, and always with the house I get one citizen in this section. Here we have always the proposition of drawing the objects on the map. Here we have the buildings, the farms, and the treatments, and always we'll draw it in different ways to know what they mean on the map. And after this we are going to next part of the card. Here we are getting 2 work points, and last element we are getting the treatment. Here we have the bandits. We draw bandits like this, and we have to draw bandits on the edge of the map. Edge is out spaces of the map, like I would draw it maybe here. And here we have the drawing of the bandit, and it would be the end of this turn. But what this all mean by the drawing? Firstly, all treatments are dangerous for some type of elements of the map. The bandits cannot be in the straight line, cannot see the buildings. So if I would do this like I did, it will be get me the penalty points for the all buildings seen by the bandits, like in the in the 6th direction from this bandit. The wolves cannot see the animals, the sheep and the chickens, and the insects cannot see the food, the crops and the tomatoes. So I have to draw my buildings and the treatments in the way to do not get the penalty points, because I have to get some amount of gold coins at the end of the game. So it will be hard for me if I will get the many penalties to me. And I can also secure my objects from this by a few elements. First is the wall. The wall can be built between the watchtowers. So I could get the other watchtower here, and I have a watchtower, and assuming I can build with the work points all by the action card, I can get the free wall to build, and I can build the wall. This is one segment of wall, or is one piece of wall is 3 segments. So by 2 I could secure with the wall this building by the bandits, and it will be secure. The same situation with the wolves and the animals. And also I can create the guard, and the guard can be set on the map in the front line, in the straight line from the watchtower. So I could see it in like here from this watchtower, or here from this watchtower in the also straight lines. So I could, like from this watchtower, I could get the guard here, and this is my guard. And of course this could be from action card or by using the work points, and spending the 1 citizen to make him the guard. And guards all making neutralizing the bandits and the wolves have to be on an adjacent field, and all bandits and all wolves, that is wolf, are just out of the game when they in the adjacent field to the guard. And also guard for the bandits will give me 2 coins for each bandit deactivated from the game. So this is the 2 ways to secure from the bandits and the wolves. And another element is insects. Insects are can be dangerous for our food. So in this situation I could, here's the rules for placing all the farms. So corns wheat have to be always near the water, tomatoes near the buildings, chickens near the forest, and sheep near the rocks. So I get the wheat, and it have to be near the water. So I make it like here, out from the action card, just for example. And if there will be any bugs, insects around like here in the line, it will be also get me the penalty points. And only way to secure from the insects is getting the chicken near the insects, not in the line of sight, but in the adjacent field. Chickens have to be near the forest. So if I will draw chicken like here, we have the chicken, it will be disable the insects here and give me 1 gold point for any insect disabled. So this is the main element of the game, placing the all things on the map in the correct way to not get the penalty and get the goal made, the complete objective, because they always different for the maps. So in this occasion I have to make 3 breeds, 3 tomato soups, like cover with the wall 2 buildings, have 6 buildings near the rocks, and many others, and all this have to be made in the same moment I have to aware from the treatments. And the last treatment is cannot be avoided by any method is the swamp. This swamp just drawn like this is disabling the fields near to build anything on this. Only other treatments can be built here, but I cannot get the farm here and cannot get the building here because it will be also give me the penalty. So this making the map get smaller when swamp is getting in the game. We can also use our buildings, but we can use it only and use our work points only in the turn with the mark of the work time. Here is the gears, and if we choose the side of the card with the gear symbol, it will mean we can now use our work points up to 6 work points in one turn. So we and there's not always there's option with the work time, so we have to plan the thing when we want to use it. And we can use in any field with the sign, with the symbol of the gears and the work point. Like we can make the breed in this moment, the zoop, the jackets, the eggs, make the guards, and also we can new farms outside from the action card, the bonus ones, of course with the rules of the placing them on the map. But this is only when the gears are on the action card. And in some action cards we have also possible to make bonus work points if we achieve some small goal. Very easy to achieve it in this situation. In the tavern we have to have built tavern with the worker inside. So because when we have the workers, when we have the citizens, we can make them workers. Like I could have the mill here. I have the mill, and I had the house with the citizen, and I spend the citizen and make him to work in the mill. And now if I had it will be the turn of the work. I can spend one crop, one work point, and in this create the breed. This creating the 3 breeds will be my goal in this situation. And this is the most rules of the game. At the end also we will get the points for getting some amount of goods. So if we get the 4 crop for tomatoes, we'll also get the bonus points. We'll get the bonus the coins if we have the full of the citizens, if we have the full of watchtowers, and also the 4 of breed with the tomato and jackets and the eggs. Also for the chicken eating the insects and guards defeating the bandits. So in this way we have to complete the points. So it's not always easy, and is mostly all the game. So thank you. I think it's very easy, and I wish you good play.